DALL-E is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI that specializes in generating images from textual descriptions. Think of it as a creative visual artist whose canvas is powered by deep learning. When you provide DALL-E with a detailed text prompt, such as a two-story house shaped like a shoe, it synthesizes an original image that matches the request as closely as possible. The underlying technology consists of transformers, a type of neural network architecture that has proven highly effective in natural language processing and image generation. DALL-E has been trained on a massive dataset containing images and associated captions, allowing it to learn how words relate to visual concepts. What sets DALL-E apart from earlier generative models is its flexibility and imagination. It can blend unrelated ideas or objects, create surreal scenes, and visualize concepts that may not exist in reality. This creativity is not random, but guided by the context and the prompt it receives. DALL-E has practical applications in art, design, advertising, education, and even scientific conceptualization. Users can leverage its abilities to brainstorm new ideas, illustrate content, or prototype products quickly. However, like all AI models, DALL-E has limitations. It may misinterpret ambiguous prompts, and its output quality depends on how clear and specific the instruction is. Overall, DALL-E represents a major step forward in AI-powered image generation, expanding what creators and everyday users can imagine and visualize with the help of machine intelligence.